No one in America should go bankrupt because of medical debt. Bernie Sanders will eliminate all past due medical debt in this country. Past due medical debt is currently held by 79 million Americans, 1 in every 6 Americans. As president, Bernie Sanders will eliminate the $81 billion in past due medical debt. Under this plan, the federal government will negotiate and pay off past due medical bills and collections that have been reported to credit agencies. End abusive and harassing debt collection practices. Prohibit the collection of debt beyond the statute of limitations. Significantly limit the contact attempts per week a collector can make to an individual through any mode of communication, regardless of how many bills are in collection. Require collectors to ensure information about a debt is fully accurate before attempting to collect. Substantially limit the assets that can be seized, and the wages that can be garnished in collection, to ensure consumers do not lose their homes, jobs, or primary vehicles, and will be able to financially support their families. Reform the Bankruptcy Abuse Prevention and Consumer Protection Act of 2005, to use the existing bankruptcy court system to provide relief for those with burdensome medical debt. Eliminate means testing requirements to file for bankruptcy. Allow for the adjudication, including potential discharge of debt, including interest and penalties, stemming from direct payments to providers and insurers for medical expenses. Assuming documentation, this includes medical debt incurred on credit cards or any other consumer debt product. End the onerous and regressive credit counseling required before filing to discharge medical debt. Include broad automatic stay protections, placing an immediate prohibition on any evictions, utility interruptions including heat and electric, foreclosure proceedings, wage garnishments, driver's license suspensions, and other actions. Prohibit requiring the disclosure of medical debt discharge on housing, loan, or other applications. Remove and exclude medical debt from existing credit reports. Create a secure public credit registry to replace for-profit credit reporting agencies. This registry will use a public, transparent algorithm to determine creditworthiness that eliminates racial biases in credit scores. Allow Americans to receive credit scores for free. Prohibit medical debt from being included. End the use of credit checks for rental housing, employment, insurance and other non-lending practices.